Hi, my name is Ogweno Stephen. I'm the co-founder and CEO of the Stowelink Foundation, where we work in the field of non-communicable diseases and young people across Kenya and 10 other countries in sub-Saharan Africa. We are here at the first National Non-Communicable Diseases Conference in Kenya. This conference has brought key stakeholders in the non-communicable diseases space, working across policy, advocacy, programs, technology, and research. We've had such a great experience representing young people in this conference, and we've learned a lot from the various presentations that have been had in the conference. There has been sessions on different innovative healthcare financing models that have been shared. There have been sessions on using technology and how technology has already been used to improve access to non-communicable diseases in Kenya. And in fact, we were presenting on the component of leveraging on technology and media to advance literacy, access to diagnostics, and taking action on non-communicable diseases. There's also been a lot of conversations on lived experience, and as one of those people with lived experience in non-communicable diseases, we felt very involved. We felt that we were seen and that our voices were heard during this conference. We are hoping that there will be an improvement over the years with more lived experience coming on board, more partners coming on board, and working together to ensure that we advance the fight on non-communicable diseases. My parting shot would be that a lot has been discussed, a lot has been promised. We are looking forward to all of the partners working here, working together to implement all of which has been discussed. And with that, thank you very much, and we'll see you on the next one.